Creating a good YouTube video involves several key steps. Planning. Define your purpose, target audience, and content. Plan your script or key points to keep your video focused and engaging. Quality equipment. Use a good camera or smartphone with decent video quality. Ensure clear audio using an external microphone if possible. Lighting. Shoot in well-lit environments to improve video quality. Natural light or additional lighting can enhance the visuals. Editing. Use video editing software to refine your content. Cut unnecessary parts, add transitions, and incorporate music or graphics if appropriate. Thumbnail and title. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve search engine visibility. This can help your video reach a wider audience. Promotion. Share your video on social media and other platforms to increase visibility. Engage with your audience through comments and encourage them to subscribe. Analytics. Monitor YouTube analytics to understand your audience's behavior. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Remember, practice makes perfect, and learning from the performance of your videos over time will help you improve and tailor your content to your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and learning from the performance of your videos over time will help you improve and tailor your content to your audience.